Hello. We teach ourselves, we tell our children that logic is the way. When we put one and one together, we almost all the time get two. When we are hit in practice, we are supposed to block it. But sometimes logic is not a tool that helps us, but actually an adversary. What do I mean by that? When we are employing the tools of logic, we are to some degree ignoring our intuition. We are ignoring the way that we can go past the logical, let's say, linear thread of going from one place to another. That takes our humanity to a lesser degree. If I'm being blocked, instead of listening to the fear and obeying the fear, by blocking, I can listen to the fear, know that I want to preserve myself, and instead of blocking, not be there or join the movement. If something comes my way, there is a wave, I can ride the wave or surf the wave if you're from California, as I once was. If it's a discussion and someone tells you something that you disagree with, do you have to contradict them? Or perhaps you can try to understand why they're saying what they're saying instead of going ahead, instead of giving the logical answer. Sometimes you can go past logic. Sometimes you can circumvent the hold that logic has on us and reach a much greater conclusion. After all, if we were all just using logic and succeeding, where does genius come from? Some of the genius comes from letting go of the tools that help us to take our first steps and allow ourselves to dance, to jump, to swim, to do things without a safety net to some degree. So teach your children logic, but teach them that even logic has its limits, and if you want to be moderate about things, be moderate, but not all the time. Have a good life.